What's going on, everybody? Elite Motorsports here. Just got in this 2004 Heritage Classic. Stick around to the end of the video for a startup. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Very clean bike, a lot of chrome front end, chrome axle nut covers, Harley chrome front and rear wheel, stage 1 kit, exhaust, Harley chrome outer floorboard covers. Bike's very clean, very nice. Chrome inner primary, chrome swing arm. This bike only has 5,180 miles on it. Stainless steel cables, chrome front and rear brake caliper, chrome voltage regulator cover. A lot of chrome. Let's go ahead and get started. Give us a call at 1-866-427-5398. Thank you.